got it. Good boy. Are Chotu, careful. Tommy, wait for him. Oh no, he fell. Mama's here, beta. It's okay. Don't cry, Chotu. Oh no, Chotu.
Are you okay?
It hurts. Don't worry, we're here. Mommy. What happened, Chotu? Are you okay? My knee hurts so much. Chotu, are you okay? We'll help you. Mom. We found Chotu and helped him. Daddy. Don't worry, Mom is here. Mama. It's okay, little star. Mom's here. See? He's feeling better. Hooray for Chotu. They're all better now, Chotu.
Oh, wow, that looks cool.
You're so brave, Chotu. Woof woof. Look, Tommy, I caught it. Yay! Yay, Chotu. Let's play again.